So guys, here's Michael experiment.
This,
Number 1, he squeezed the lemon. He said. Number 2, what's this number 2, anak?
he put milk.
Put milk. Number 3, this one. What's that, anak?
Number 2, we had to put squeezing bowl in there. There's lemon
And
inside.
then number 3,
Yeah, we need milk.
milk. And then number 4,
We had to mix it.
mix it. Okay, let's do it.
Number 1, we had to do it. How to do it?
That's some.
You have to cut a little bit more.
Okay, he squeezed the lemon.
Lemon. Yeah, one lemon, Mama.
Michael, only one for now. Just experiment.
Uh-oh, looking. Okay, it's all done.
Wait, there's one.
Okay, Mama. Numbers are coming. It's very slimy. Like this. It's sour.
Put in here because it's full.
And then squeeze it.
Wait, anak. Okay. In there.
Hey, what's going in my hand?
Oh, just let me do it.
Okay. I do it. Okay, here it goes. We need a lot of stuff, Mama. With a spoon, Mama. We have a spoon to mix. Okay, there's enough in it. Okay. Yummy.
Alright, and then what's next?
Number 2. We have to shake the bowl. Number
Shake it down.
we have to do this.
Milk. Pour the milk. Careful, it's heavy. Small milk, huh? Not a lot because this is experiment. Ooh. And then, mix it. Oh my god, what is that, Michael? What's happening?
What was it?
What's happening to your mouth? It's lemon. Look. It looks like things, guys, mixed with milk and lemon. Experiment ng aking anak.
I want to try it.
You wanna try it?
Okay.
A little bit, huh? A little bit. Little bit.
We need a lot of stuff. And then number 5.
Oh, this is my number 5 pa pala.
We have to put okay, Mama. We need no we have juice, Mama. Corn juice. Number 5. We need juice. We need juice, Mama. That's what we need. We need juice. And see what that tastes like. And then number 6. We need something. Mama,
You say the word open.
look, Mama.
Yeah, nice.
We need the apple.
Oh, you say the open.
That's why we hate apple, Mama. We hate apple.
Michael, use this.
Wow.
Number 5, you need juice.
Yes. Number 6. We need vitamin water.
Just a little bit more.
Yes. It's a mixing baby. Apples saw the tree. Apples saw the tree. Apples saw it. 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 I mixed it. 7, Mama. Now we need number 7. We need a nice apple. Nice apple. Oh no. We need a nice apple, Mama. It's so shiny. It's shiny, Mama.
Nice apple.
Wow. We can squeeze the juice.
Uy, we cannot squeeze the juice with the apple. Oh my gosh. Micah, you cannot squeeze the juice with the apple.
Maybe
That's so hard. Give me the juice, Micah. Oh.
I have muscle to squish the juice. What are you looking out there, Mama?
Sophia. Go down.
Mama, I stole it, Mama. We need to wipe our hands.
Again.
And take
Wait, a little bit, huh?
It's not sweet. It's not sour.
Can I see your mango? So, ito yung experiment niya, guys. My God, don't drink it all. 1 lemon, 2, squeeze the lemon, 3, mouth, 4, mix. 5, the vitamin water.
No, that is a juice.
Add the juice pala, 5, and 6, vitamin water. 7, apple. 8, what's the 8, Anna?
We need to
What's that?
wipe our hands.
8,
And we have
wipe
to-
the hands.
And we have to wipe
9,
our...
clean the
We have
table.
to wipe this table off. Yes, I have it.
Yeah,
What
yun yung
is-
experiment niya. Drawing niya.
No.
Dito ako. You done? Ayan ako sa ikaw.
Mama,
What?
on your fridge, what is frozen, Mama?
So, what did you do? Gonna learn.
I'm doing this lemonade.
Free.
We need sugar now.
Face where you're right. Like I
We
want
need
your real
sugar
close.
for you.
Not that
It's not
4 days.
bad tea for you.
Don't let her use it on her own, babe. Please. Let's poke her eye off.
Okay, it's almost there.
You're done. I think you're done. You're playing around.
Mama,
Hey, let's
now
go.
I need very sugar. I'm I need something. Number 5, I need
Last one, and
sugar.
then you get 4. Don't you get big? Yeah, that's one. Okay. You got it.
Nice, Sophia.
Does that work, babe? That little thing I bought?
Mama, number 5 is unlocked. Now we need sugar.
You're done with it. Michael, you want some more? You don't want one? You don't want?
I don't want no more.
Alright, we're gonna put more.
Okay, guys.
We're
This
done
is...
in number
Okay, guys, this is Michael's plan. First,
Masterpiece.
number 1. What else did this, Michael? Number 1,
cut it.
cut the lemon, and then number 2.
Number 3 is here.
Number 2 first, and number 2, put it in the cup, the lemon. Number 3, mix it. Number 4,
Taste it.
taste it. Number 5, put sugar.
Yes, sugar
sugar in there too.
Fine, number
I don't
6.
want to swallow. There you go, boy, Daddy.
Taste it.
No, no. We need.
Sugar.
No, we need water.
Coconut sugar. My God, experiment with. And then mix.
Better put more water in there. How much lemonade?
One only.
One lemon? That's gonna take at least a full cup or so. It's too strong. Look how dark it is there. You gotta
This
dilute,
one, oh.
dilute it down in the water. Yeah. Put some water in it. You need to, one
It's
lemon.
okay, babe. It's okay.
One lemon will probably make like a whole cup. No, I would dilute it with water. But one lemon probably make like 2 cups.
No, none of that has sugar. Mama, we need
Is it all
water.
done, Michael? Wait.
Water. Water. We need water.
Gosh, Michael, experimento. Okay. Do you wanna try, Michael?
That has sugar. Yummy.
Let's try.
It looks yummy now. It's not. Not sour or sweet. It's sweet, Mama.
Sour and sweet.
It's sweet, Mama. Yes, it's not sour.
Sour, sweet.
Sour or sweet, Mama.
I like it. I like it, Michael.
Yes, it's
Came out good.
sweet now. It's so sweet. Mama, this is the best.
Three. 2022.
Yes, that's cool.
Yep, 2022.
This is a calendar.
And this month is August, September. September 2. Today is September 2.
Yes, it's a beach party day.
Which part?
It's the beach party day.
Beach party day.
And we eat our popsicles. We need to buy popsicles now. Buy tech calendar.